Are you looking to make your WRX engine bay prettier than a puppy dog in a tutu? This is the Torque Solution pulley cover. What's up guys, Rick from RallySport Direct here bringing you another episode of What's in the Box. In front of me I have the Torque Solution pulley cover specific for the 15 Plus WRX. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So as you can see, I've obviously unwrapped this before the video just to save on time because it comes incredibly well packaged. So this thing, I don't think the camera is gonna do this justice, just how awesome this looks in real life. This beautiful red anodization just looks absolutely stunning. It actually has almost a texture to it. And I can't remember the actual process that they use for it, but it almost is like a candy type texture. It's really cool. But this is a direct bolt-on for your 15 Plus WRX. It's going to cover up much of the ugly that is, unfortunately, the WRX engine. Of course, you have your cutout for your dipstick here, and then this relief here is going to be for your upper coolant hose. And so it'll be a nice direct fit. Now I really dig the Torque Solutions cutout and all the little kind of accent vents, if you want to call it that. But really it's just a cool piece all around. Now it is purely an aesthetic piece, other than, you could argue, oh, it keeps the, pulleys safe from debris, dirt, and that kind of stuff. And you might be right, but realistically, the reason we're going to be putting this on is just purely for the looks. But when it comes to that, it looks awesome. Now it does come with everything you're gonna need to install it, including the risers, all the hardware. So it is gonna be a direct bolt-on affair. Honestly, this should probably take you all of about 20 minutes to install. Now do note that you will have to remove your ugly plastic cover to get this to be installed, but realistically that cover is pretty hideous by itself, so you're definitely doing the engine bay a favor and going with some nice accessories like this, just because when you open the hood, you want it to stand out. You want it to be a little bit different than maybe your buddy's car, or, your neighbor's WRX or something like this, and this is a good way to do it just because it really is quite a beautiful piece. Nice, lightweight, strong, doesn't flex with all the, what would you call that, bends. I think they use a brake is what it's called to get those bends in there. But if you are looking for, a way to spruce up the engine bay, this is it. Just check that out. The way it shines and shimmers like a betta fish. Anyway, that's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out What's in the Box. See you guys next time.